My uncle is a gunsmith and he's based in Patiala, and we've lived in a joint family. So he was always a sort of a mentor, you could say, and he inculcated this interest in guns that I had as a child, which later on became a sport, a hobby, and then a sport, a profession. So, and today he helps me, set my guns. If I have any problems with my pistols, or it's not functioning well, or if there's any sort of customization I want, so he helps me with all that. This sport is such that the more you want it, the more you won't get it. So it's better to just be humble and just keep working and keep doing. The preparation is an ever-going process. It never starts, it never ends. But since the past month, I've been preparing in Pune and preparing for this competition and also for the Asian Championship, which is going to be held in November. So this is going to be sort of my trial run to prepare better for the Asian Championship, which is a bigger event in November. I haven't been thinking that I am a defending champion, so I need to perform and all that. 1 year back it was a different story, today it's a different story, the next year it's going to be a different story. So, you keep changing all your life as a sports person, you just keep changing and you keep learning. And I hope it all falls together, and I'm just hoping to give a good performance. Medal or no medal, it just depends on the performance. I don't even know what competitors I'm competing against. I have no idea. I know what countries have come. I don't know what competitors have come. Not at all. I mean, as I told you, if I perform well and I'm happy with my performance, I'll go back as a happy person. It doesn't matter whom I'm competing against. It's really the best person. It's not the best shooter who wins the medal. It's the shooter who shoots best who wins the medal. So I'm just hoping to shoot my best. I think I'm lucky because my husband not only understands this sport, but he's also helping me, and in doing so we spend a lot of time together. Otherwise it's very hard having your personal life and giving time to your profession. You're always traveling around the world, going for different competitions, you're training. It just takes a lot of time. I think in 1 year I'm home for say 4 months maximum. And if it's a busy year, say if it's the Olympic year, maybe 2 months, not more than that. So it really plays on your mind if you're not getting to spend time with your family or your husband or your friends. So that ways I'm very lucky, but it also comes with a little price because whenever we're together, we're always talking about shooting, and he's always telling me what I should do.